Okay, today we want to talk about the importance of keeping your outside contractors and vendors safe while they're in your facility and what your responsibility is to them and their responsibility is to you. First of all, when you hire an outside contractor or vendor, you need to be sure that they themselves are doing safety training back at their office. They do their annual HAZCOM, confined space, chemical safety, PPE, all the necessary things that they need to do in terms of safety training annually, and you need to see a record of that and maybe even make a copy of it. However, when they come to your site, you are also responsible for their safety. Even though they've done their training back at their office, they don't know about your site and they're coming in to your house. So OSHA says they are your temporary employee and you're responsible for keeping them safe and advising them of your work conditions and your chemicals and so forth. Therefore, you need to put your contractors and vendors through a little bit of safety training at your facility and be aware of what they're bringing into your facility, like chemicals and other things that could be dangerous to your employees or to themselves. Document this safety training. No one's saying it has to be Harvard Law School training that lasts hours and hours and hours, but you do need to document the training, and they need to be advised on all procedures like lockout, tagout, and what chemicals are allowed and where you use them, and ventilation, and all the things that would be necessary for them to do their particular work while they're in your facility.